acquitted. She and her two family members have been acquitted of all charges. That includes murder, conspiracy, and raising false alarm to police officials. This is the same right here at the Temple of Justice.
Imagine you cannot say this person was being stabbed with a nerve and you did not produce the nerve to the court. How do we believe that yes, this person was being stabbed with a nerve? And I said it before, I said they could also ask the prosecution from A to Z, give a play-by-play description as to how this thing occurred. Who did what? So they could have said in their opinion that the defendants, let's say the prosecution could not give any further link to all of the defendants as to who did what and what occurred at one night, these different stuff. So they could also base their ruling today on another issue that has to do with the statement made by co-defendant Gloria Musu, which he said that on several occasions she was being attacked. Well, on that basis, the police are giving the media to go doing his testimony in court. You have another whatever Nathaniel he also a minute to 8. Then they came to the issue of the autopsy. Why would you say you saw a bill but because it was very little, so you discarded it and you did not take it serious? Or you felt that because when the incident occurred, you had a lot of people coming in, neighbors, that came in that helped to take this girl to the car. So probably it might be or DNA that took part. So they could also weigh these different stuff and they also start precedent or other cases, opinion that some people brought up before. The case with the guy who was beaten with the current wire sometime back, where the state could not prove, because this is somehow confusing or nothing. Like I always tell people, sometimes some of the investigations we have to be careful as to how we go about it. Whereas the police, because if you are doing an investigation that involves 3 to 4 persons, you should be able to tell the country, the people or the defendant or the court as to who did what.
So we are here with Lula. Lula was in court. Lula is a judicial reporter and she sat in the Supreme Court doing the hearing. Lula, welcome to Cllr FM. Yes. Can you kindly tell how the ruling went in there? How the ruling was in the Supreme Court?
How was the ruling?
Yeah.
Yes, the ruling was done by the Chief Justice, Cllr, who said that there was no sufficient evidence. There was no evidence at all produced by the state lawyers. There was no evidence at all produced by the state lawyers. So based on that, she ruled order that the defendant should be released immediately, and then under their rights to be restored, their statutory rights and their civil rights.
So what does this mean for the Republic of Liberia?
For the Republic of Liberia, I think, for me, what I think, as a prosecutor or law enforcement officer, whenever you are gathering or you find somebody falling, let's say alleged murder, there must be an evidence. If they take you in 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, just hold on to gathering your evidence instead of you rushing with whatsoever you think that you got evidence. According to the state witness, their case was based on circumstantial evidence, and the Supreme Court said it was not still enough. There must be a link.
So when you say circumstantial evidence, what do you mean by that?
The things, according to them, the defendants among the 4 of them, none of them who was the link of or point to anybody who did it act. So since they try to present the information, try to conceal it based on that they said was circumstantial evidence. They try to conceal the information. They really point out who did the killing. So
listening to the case, and then I heard the Chief Justice talk about 3 points in wherein she rely on to give her ruling. Can you kindly elaborate on it? 3 points. She relied on several points to give her ruling today. So what were some of the points that she gave?
She said the one government failed to link. She said the government failed to link. The state prosecutors failed to link each of the defendants to any of the crimes. 2, another one, she said the evidence was so weak. There was no evidence at all. And 3, for this regarding the pathologist that the cooling analysis he gave, he disregarded the male chromosome. He said because there was so many touches, after when the victim had gone or went unconscious, people came across her, there was so many contacts. So based on that, the Supreme Court came out with what they did today.
Okay, so thank you. That's Lula Jari. She's a judicial reporter here at the Temple of Justice. She has been giving us analysis on what's have been happening there in the Supreme Court, especially on Chief Justice Yane Yu's ruling, the Supreme Court's ruling, which was read by the Chief Justice of the Republic of Liberia. And like she said, she did state a lot of counts wherein she talked about the state prosecutors ignoring the DNA that was found under the fingernails clipping of Gloria Musu, and that of basing all of their evidence, as they quoted, circumstantial evidence. And she said that even if it was a circumstantial evidence, it should have been proven beyond all reasonable doubt. There should have been evidence, sufficient evidence to prove that these people that were charged with murder, criminal conspiracy, and that of creating false evidence to law enforcement officers, they actually did the crime. For my opinion, gathered from the Chief Justice and the Supreme Court's ruling today, is that state prosecutors refused or did not give sufficient evidence to the court to be able to prosecute